It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
The dead men are 44-year-old Garnell Jackson of a New Haven address, Romaine Lewis of Sigourney Drive, Kingston 2, Stephen Rochester, a 19-year-old carpenter of Love Lane, and the youngest of them, 17-year-old Daniel Rose of Mark Lane, also from Kingston Central. The police say the gunmen were traveling in this Toyota Isis motor car that crashed after they gave chase. The men went to this premises on Orange Street, where the police say the shooting all started.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, 4 gangsters get slapped away by the police in downtown Kingston. And I am doing this video to congratulate the police. The police did a good job. You understand? And the gangster them did a really bad job. 6 man in a car with high-powered gun. A roll up on a house. Figure retaliate, shooting, whatever. No respect for the people them. You have all a 17-year-old young man in it. Him should have been home in a bumbuckler bed. You understand? And me can't understand the notion behind these kind of actions. Why is the Taliban gang warring? Them a war within themselves, like what the police said, a breakaway faction, and them boy are some hungry belly bumbuckler gangster then. You understand? Them not have no blood clot money. Them not have nothing. And all them a do, true for them life bad, them a try make everybody else around them life bad. Yo, the police did a damn good job on this. Cause people always say, boy, countryman is always sympathizing with criminals and this and that. And that's not the case. Me I deal with constitution rights and justice, equal rights and justice for all, not just uptown people. You understand? Me a nationalist. Countryman, like me say, I'm a nationalist. My country first. And me not lie, it goes to show what the police them have to deal with, because you know, Jamaican, some of the people them are some pussy them because them living at these community and them enable all of them gangster, all of them bad money. And then when war kick off now, them want the police come to come and solve their problems. The police can't solve the problem. You have to learn to solve your own problem. You understand? Raise your kids right. You understand? Have some morals. You understand? Don't make the kids them grow. Do not put yourself over the kids them. You understand? These are the things you need to do. And stop blaming the police. Once again, before I go, like me say, police did a good job on this one. The case is transparent. Everything is transparent. Comparing to the termite thing, which me go talk about the termite thing at a further date and kind of go into that. So yo, JCF, big up on yourself on that one, yeah. You understand? And whether people like it or not, one of the best police force in the Caribbean, one of the best trained, you understand? And one of the best police know how to fight gangs. Cause Jamaica police been doing this. So that's all me I say. Respect to the police then. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.